5 a.m. already? Why did we book the early flight? Where is my favorite denim jacket? I always lose it when I'm in a hurry. It's not here either. Found it! Passports? Check. Sunscreen? Check. European travel adapter? Double check. Perfection. Lily, are you ready? The taxi will be at your place in 10 minutes. Yes, totally ready. Just brushing my teeth. Come on, just close! Why do I always pack too many shoes? There she is. And look at that suitcase, it looks like it's about to explode. Good morning! I made it. I almost forgot my charger, but I got it! Did you actually bring your physical passport, Lily? Or just a photo of it on your phone? Oh my God, Sarah, let me check! Wow, it's packed today. Look at all these people. Sarah, do you think my suitcase is overweight? The limit is 23 kilograms, right? I'm sure it's fine, Lily. Don't worry. Okay, good. I was so nervous. You've got this. I warned you, Lily. If it's too heavy, you'll have to pay an extra fee. I know, Sarah. I'm sorry. Flight EW512 to Mallorca, gate A14. Check-in counter 42 to 45. Let's go left. Good morning. May I have your passports and booking reference, please? Of course, here you go. And mine. Here you go. We are flying to Palma today. Wonderful. Welcome to Sun Air. Thank you. Oh, looks like this one is 1.5 kilos over the limit, miss. No problem. I can just wear these 2 sweaters right now. Who cares if it's summer? Perfect. Now it's 23 kilos. Here are your boarding passes. Gate A4 Torn Starkton. Oh, thank you. Look at this security line. Thank goodness we arrived early. Laptops, electronics, and liquids out of the bag, Lily. You know the drill. Right. Thanks, Sarah. Almost there. Yeah, finally.
Whose bag is this? Please step aside. No liquids over 100 ml allowed.
Oh, sorry. That's mine. Lily, the water bottle. Right, I'll remove it.
Bitte durchgehen.
Classic Lily. You wouldn't survive a travel day without me. Oh, look at the giant Toblerone chocolates. Should we buy one for the beach? No time, Lily. We need to find our gate first. Can I get a medium cappuccino and a chocolate croissant, please? Of course. Coming right up. So, are you excited for Palma? Yes. I can't wait for the beach. Attention passengers for flight EWM12 to Palma. Boarding is now starting at gate A14. That's us. Ready? Let's go. Welcome aboard. Please have your boarding passes ready. Thank you. Here you go. Row 15, here it is. I have 15A, the window seat, and you have 15B, the middle seat. Perfect. Thanks, Sarah. Enjoy your flight. Can you help me push this in? It's a bit tight. Yes, of course. Thanks. Please ensure your seatbelts are fastened.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Whoa, this part always makes my stomach drop. Relax, Lily. Look out the window. The houses look like toys. It's beautiful up here. So peaceful. Look out the windows. Look at the clouds. So beautiful. Wow, it really is. Would you like something to drink or a snack? Could I please get a tomato juice with ice and a small bag of pretzels? Of course, here you go. Thank you.
Welcome to Palma de Mallorca. The local time is 10:15 a.m. and it's a sunny 26 degrees Celsius.
Oh wow, feel that warmth. Goodbye, cold winter. Hello, vacation. We need to go to belt number 4 to collect our suitcases. Is that my black suitcase? Wait, no, that one has a yellow ribbon. Mine doesn't. They all look the same. It's so confusing. Oh, there it is, the one with the tag. Good eye. Let's grab it. Got it. Both bags arrived safely. No lost luggage today. Yes, that's a relief. Should we take a taxi or look for the bus station to go to the hotel? I already pre-booked a shuttle bus online. Follow me, the platform is outside. Hello, we'd like to check in. The reservation is under the name Sarah Miller. Of course, welcome to the resort. Welcome to Mallorca. You have a beautiful double room with a sea view on the third floor. Here are your keys. Thank you so much. A sea view. Perfect. Enjoy your stay. We actually did it. We are in paradise. Sarah, thank you for organizing the best trip ever. Anytime, Lily. Now put on your swimsuit. Let's hit the beach. Be sure to be there for part 2 because something incredible happens. Are you going to tell us where you're going on vacation this year? Please support this channel and like and subscribe. Thank you so much!